Merry Christmas, everyone! It is Christmas Eve right now on the MS Noordam, and I'm currently on a 13-night cruise from Sydney all the way around New Zealand and then back to Sydney again. Today we docked in Auckland, and tomorrow and tonight we have sea days. So I'm going to show you around the cruise ship and show you everything that they've done for Christmas, all the decorations and all the festivities that will happen, so you know what to expect when you come on board this cruise ship or any Holland America cruise ship in the future. So I'm at the buffet on deck 9 and let's have a look at what they're serving up tonight. Also, we're leaving Auckland now and look at these views from my dinner table. How nice, hey? it's 10 minutes to Christmas and I'm at the buffet because, you know, midnight snack, and it's still open. So usually they close at around 11:30, but today they're closing at 12:30, which was good. We got to have a little snack. And yeah, and now I'm gonna go to bed. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed all of that Christmas content. Please subscribe, and if you have any questions about what it's like on board, please let me know in the comments down below. Bye!